Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So today I would like to tell you about something which have happened just to me. And yes, exactly. 100 5-star rated reviews on Google, which I do believe are all genuine. We see 101 at the moment here, yes. And I can say that it's a wow. For me in person, it's unbelievable. Throughout the whole 100 reviews, I would say there was I can't tell you how many customers, but I know we've got over 480 tickets in the last year, sort of, because I'm using Book Repair Online for the last year. Plus there were jobs which were not booked in at Book Repair Online, so that's for sure, and plus those undergoing as well, which is 93 I think at the moment. I would have to check Book Repair Online.co.uk to tell you, and there are few commercial contracts which are not finished as well. So I would say there were only about a few cases which were not dodgy, but you know, it was the edge that I had to either refuse the repair, or I had to go out of my way and ask customer how customer would like to be satisfied at the end. I'm working with customers since I would say before 2000, when I was a teenager first, and there were many cases where I didn't know what I was doing, because on that time you didn't have internet support and so on, plus you didn't have tools, skills. But I can say now I'm of course much more confident with the repairs, and I can say that we don't need Google. Yes, we don't need Google to sustain the business. Google is pretty much for few things, okay? One thing is that we should fight for the right to repair, and if we don't, well, tough, yes, we will be putting more stuff to the landfill. So to waste less, we have new customers from Google. 2, there are people who for real looking for genuine good repair shop, and you know, they don't want to go to other businesses because they are endier and less reliable. Yes, they want to be treated fairly and affordably. Yes, so that's as well. 3 is I've got apprentices. Yes, so they need to learn more. When they learn more, they need to get practice. Yes, so for them it's important as well to have new customers. Plus we want to grow. Yes, another reason we want to grow. So if we want to grow, we need more customers as well. Yes, so we've got new apprentice started in the Wishaw Motherwell area, and we would like to then create this line that we support from Motherwell to Livingston and to Edinburgh, and then we would like to go back to cooperation with someone from Glasgow as well. So then we would be from Glasgow to Edinburgh, which would be really nice. But I don't have anybody yet. I had one guy, 2 customers were complaining till now about that person, for real, that they refused to go to him. And I had few customers which weren't happy as well, so I would go to cooperation with that guy if I would see that 1, he's willing to do his business in other ways, 2, he's keep on learning and he wants to do it and wants to learn. If no, it's not a person for me to work with, and unfortunately at the moment I don't have a good contact with him. He's doing some other stuff, and I don't think that cooperation will work well. So yes, I think we need to find someone else for the Glasgow. but it's not the time yet. We want to first do the Motherwell jump, because I've got all areas here. People are coming from even behind the Motherwell. So yeah, I think when we will have Motherwell, I will think more about the Falkirk area, because that's, I'll show you on the maps, because not everybody knows where it's what. So okay, let's do the, okay, we don't want this, we don't want that. So we're here, okay, that's Livingston. So now you see it's Whitburn, and where's Glasgow? Where's Glasgow? Here is a Glasgow, yes. Whitburn, so Hart Hill, Newhouse. So yeah, Hart Hill, Motherwell was somewhere here, and I don't. Wishaw. Oh, the guy is from here, from Wishaw. So yeah, there is a Motherwell. Yes. So you see, if we will have Wishaw team here, so we've got here, then we've got here. So people from Glasgow could go to to Wishaw, yes, for instance. But it would be nice to have somebody in Wishaw and in Glasgow. And then another thing, which what I was thinking of, is going as well to do, where's a Linlithgow and Falkirk. So somewhere here maybe. Grangemouth, Falkirk, somewhere over there, yes. And then if we will have that area, we can then close and match somewhere in Glasgow, because then if we would have Livingston, Wishaw, Motherwell here one, then Glasgow, then from this side we would have somewhere here at the Falkirk area, then only Cumbernauld, and then we can serve all of it, yes, including Edinburgh. And that would be something which is really nice. You need a lot of good people to work with, so we're looking for repair guys who are repairing already. We're looking for people who would like to learn fixing electronics and living in those areas and would like to learn from scratch. We offering top-notch software, which at the moment I'll switch to, yeah, I've got a Kanban, so I can switch to the Kanban as well. You see, so the software here is supporting now a drag and drop method. I can drag and drop these at, no problem where I want it. So I can prioritize my, oh, you don't see it, but it's moving. I would have to move it somewhere, or like here, yes, so you can see that I can move it. Yeah, but we will build more features as well. We've got all booking system and everything, so we've got all software to manage the business, prioritize jobs. I'm dealing with customers, so the repair shop don't have to deal with customers. I'm advertising, so the repair shop doesn't have to worry about advertisements. Then I can tell my customers that we've increased the size of the supporting areas, and we've got a new guy in the new area, and then this guy is now trained, and we're helping him to get the knowledge what we have, get the tools what we have, and we're supporting him until he will be self-sustainable, and then he will be taking jobs from that area. So that's what we're doing. And in our database there's a lot of customers, so it will be easier to advertise. The more areas we will cover, the better will be for us to advertise in the new areas. And I plan to open as well other like book repair online with other URLs. So new area will have new name, new URL for booking for that particular area once that person will start to work with us. And those who don't know, not only there is a booking link, let's go and but now it's a shop as well. Okay, so let us switch to the book repair. Okay, let us drag and drop it. Okay, trying to do as much as I can. Okay, so we've got as well, it's a booking and it's a shop. Yes, so you see That's just an example product, yes, but it is you can add to cart, yes, as well, and now you can pay for it. It's not finished yet. You see, these are dollars, not this, but it's already, you know, it's already being worked on at the moment. So yeah, so it's you can for real pay, and yes, and it will be finished quite shortly. So you get a booking, you get a shop, and there will be as well main page here, home, and then we will add custom domains. So if somebody would like to use this software from us, then can use custom domain, and they will have everything. They will have their website, which they can edit their details, they can book in, they can move throughout the whole process of booking in and notification for the customers. Then they can manage their inventory, they can manage their shop. From the inventory they can pick which products are global, and then those products which are global, that means others can see it, and all other repair shops can see as well. So in that case, if we've got stock of some parts, spares, then other repair shops which working with us can have access to that one as well. We've got a forum as well, so we can discuss all about the issues we're facing and how to resolve these issues. Yes, card payment, as you've seen, is there. So each of the customers can pay either for the goods or for the services by card. And chat, there is a built-in chat as well, so it's awesome software. It's ready, it's just working. You just need to use it as I'm using it for the last year. And that's why we're looking for people who want to help us offer 5-star rated reviews. Plus, finally, I've got I've designated each week a bit of time to tidy up. Those who seen my mess before, look, there's no mess as such. Yes, so that is that this is for tools only. That shelf is for tools, but later, I mean down at the bottom, no mess here. Now this one as well, no mess, completely out of mess. On the floor is only a few items to put aside. So now when customers are coming in, there is more space on those boards as well. I need to remove them, take them away. Some tools. Here is area so second person can work comfortably here. I'm tidying up still today because it's a Sunday. So here as well on the table I've got finally access, and I can go back to fixing tallies now. So guys, that's it. That's everything what I wanted to show you. It's unbelievable. 100 stars, blowing my mind. I'm super excited about it. And yes, now it's time to open another area, get another 100 reviews, and make many people happy and create less landfill waste. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking with us, and see you in the next video. Bye.